Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I will be teaching you how to use Character.AI image generator. So how do you actually generate an image? It is pretty simple. Simply scroll down, and once you do, you can do it on your cell phone device or on your PC as well. So I'm doing it on mobile since it is easy to access. Simply scroll down, and here you can see we have this particular section, and here we can click on this create a character option. So just hold on a bit and you will be able to see we will get an option. Okay, so we got a few options. We have our character name, we have our tagline, description, greetings, and various other stuff. So what we are going to be doing here is we simply need to click onto this pencil icon and click on generate image. Now simply enter in here the name, or basically character description. Let's just say a white person with black hair and glasses. Let's just click on this generate option and just hold on a bit until it is going to be generating, and boom, that's it. You got basically image generator. You can simply enter in here any prompt and click on select, and that's how you can generate image on Character.AI on cell phone device. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.